Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I understand that the title of this video might have caused some confusion or piqued your interest. However, I would like to share my perspective on Redbubble, which differs from the general sentiment held by many. In my opinion, Redbubble is actually on an upward trajectory and has the potential to improve to be again a good marketplace to sell your designs. In fact, I have noticed that my results and income are improving and their changes are quite noticeable. As you perhaps know, Redbubble, a well-known online marketplace for independent artists, has received substantial criticism in recent months. And many of these issues were indeed centered around the introduction of charges on user accounts, particularly tier fees. This decision has sparked significant backlash within the Redbubble community. While the fees on Redbubble are not the main focus today, it is essential to highlight the positive changes and improvements that have been observed on the platform. There is optimism that by the beginning of the next year, Redbubble will have undergone significant enhancements, making it an even more improved platform compared to its current state. Why do I think so? I have spotted a sweeping content removal from the platform in the last months. While some genuine accounts got caught in the crossfire, it primarily deleted the spammy ones. And what happens when the accounts vanish? Their associated artworks go with them. It's a bold move, but it certainly clears the stage for quality content creators like you and me. When discussing the popularity of online platforms for print-on-demand products, it's worth considering the traffic on Redbubble. Although there are claims about a decline of its traffic, it's important to acknowledge that Redbubble continues to attract a significant amount of visitors. In fact, apart from merch by Amazon and Etsy, Redbubble remains one of the most visited platforms in the print-on-demand industry. The great thing about Redbubble is that it is a platform that is open to designers from around the world. However, it is important to note that not all uploaded content on Redbubble by these designers meet high-quality standards. Certain designs might appear pixelated, which means they have a low resolution and are not suitable for the products they were intended for. In some cases, this design might also fall short of meeting the expected level of quality. In order to maintain high-quality standards and showcase only the best content, Redbubble has recently implemented periodic assessment of user accounts. These assessments are conducted on a quarterly basis and serve the purpose of ensuring the platform's overall quality remains top-notch. And all these changes are right now positively helped one of my accounts. While I still get lots of the same traffic to all my designs, I get many times more sales even on designs that have never been sold before. As you can see from this earnings summary graph, right now I'm attacking the new monthly record for this account. The earnings are almost at the same level as earnings for November, which is one of the best months in any marketplaces. And while every seller knows that most sales come just from a few designs, the changes that Redbubble has made from fighting against poor designs, tag spammers and more are helping to rank other designs as well, and they are getting sales. But of course, not all changes are positive. As you can see from this payment history, the account fees are making 10% of all my sales, and this can be a significant amount for many sellers. However, I still believe that Redbubble is again becoming a great place to sell my designs, and even though I have not uploaded on this platform for over the 3 months, I will begin to upload again, just to see how the platform is getting better. In conclusion, while Redbubble has faced its share of challenges, the platform is making moves in the right direction. With the introduction of new policies and a focus on quality, Redbubble is set to become an even more prominent player in the print-on-demand industry.